Hi everybody, this is Danish Living. I will make a challah bread with 2 kinds of shapes in this video. One with 4 strips and the other with 8 strips. We mix the yeast with water and a bit of sugar first. Let it rest for around 5 to 10 minutes. Mix well the dry ingredients first and add the rest of them. You can either mix them with a kitchen machine or just knead them together by hand. Press the air out of the dough, knead a bit together. Divide it into 3 parts, as I have planned to make 2 challah bread with 4 strips each and 1 with 8 strips. Take 1 piece of the 3 out, cut off a piece first, and then divide the rest of the dough evenly into 4 pieces. Form them in round pieces. In the same way to divide the rest of the 2 parts. Rest for around 15 minutes. Take a small dough out. Roll it out to a thin piece, and then roll it into a strip. Close the edge firmly. Knead it to a thinner strip for later use. In the same way to knead the rest of the small doughs. Form the small dough a bit to put it under the strips as a bottom. Put the strips across each other to form a double cross as shown here. First, braid them clockwise, and then braid them counterclockwise. At the end, we should press the ends together firmly. Tidy up the dough, shape it nicely. In the same way to make the other one. The second proof for 1 hour or till the double in size. Now let's make the one with 8 strips. The same method is used here as used previously to form the strips. We need 8 thinner strips compared to the 2 with 4 strips. Put the bottom dough saved first, and put the strips 2 together across each other as shown here. Braid them counterclockwise first, and then clockwise. Remember to close the ends firmly at the end, and also tidy up the dough, shape it nicely. Put it in a warm place for the second proof for 1 hour or to the double in size. For the glazing, we need 2 yolks and 2 tablespoons water. Mix them well before use. Glaze the bread dough carefully. We can use the water with sesame or other seeds to decorate the bread a bit. First, to put your finger in the water and then to press on the sesame. Find the place you want to put the sesame mark on the bread dough. Press your finger on it gently, but also firmly to stick the sesame on the surface of the dough. Remember to put the sesame on each single surface of the strips of the bread dough. Baking time you can find in the description area and the video. Now you can see the final results. They look perfect in my eye. The smell is very fresh and slightly sweet. Very nice. The structure inside the bread looks also very satisfied for me, soft and fluffy. I'm Danish Living. See you in my next video.